Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting and rescuing the fish. Look for firmness and a clean, briny smell. Throw away anything off. Once chosen, immerse the stock fish in cool water for 8 to 12 hours, changing the water every 2 to 3 hours to remove excess salt and rehydrate evenly. While soaking, trim any dark or frayed tissue. This reduces bitterness and improves texture. Make sure to keep the initial soaking liquid separate. If it looks clear and tastes mildly savory, you can use it as a subtle flavor boost. Once soaked, place the fish in fresh cold water and bring to a gentle simmer, never a rolling boil, then parboil for 10 to 15 minutes. This loosens flesh and makes deboning safe and simple. After cooling slightly, you flake the fish with a fork, removing any remaining bones and tough fibers. You want clean flakes that will melt into the soup. Make sure to strain and reserve the poaching liquid. It contains soluble umami and will deepen the soup when reduced or combined with stock. To finish, introduce the flaked stockfish near the end of cooking so it keeps structure. Simmer for only 5 to 10 minutes. You should taste and adjust seasoning cautiously because stockfish carries concentrated salt. If needed, balance flavors with a splash of acid like lemon or a teaspoon of vinegar. If the soup tastes bitter or overly salty, dilute gradually with warm water or additional stock, and add a starchy component such as diced potato or mashed yam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.